All right, let's get started. The first step is to chop the boiled eggs. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Peel each of the boiled eggs and then chop them finely. Thinly slice the celery. Cut the chives into very thin rings. Finely chop the pickle. The next step is to boil the potatoes and then peel them. You'll need a saucepan and a dish towel. Put the unpeeled potatoes in the saucepan and add plenty of water. Place the saucepan over high heat. When the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat. Boil the potatoes for approximately 20 minutes until they're soft. If a skewer pierces the potatoes easily, they're ready. Use a straining ladle to remove the potatoes from the pan and drain off the water. Peel the potatoes while they're still hot, using the dish towel to hold them. Cut the peeled potatoes into 1/4 inch thick half-moon slices. That's it for preparations. Next, it's time to mix the dressing and stir in the vegetables. You'll need a mixing bowl and a whisk. Put the mayonnaise in the mixing bowl. Add the mustard and the same amount of red wine vinegar. Sprinkle in some salt and coarsely ground black pepper and mix thoroughly. Add the celery, chives, and pickle and mix them together. Next, add the potatoes and stir them until they're fully coated in the dressing. Transfer to a serving dish. It's ready to eat. Well done!